Finally, we're on our way home, guys. Ling! Good morning, guys. Dito na kami sa airport. Yan mga bagahe namin. Oh. Si Daddy Mike tsaka si Ate Paris pumunta lang sa taas kasi kailangan ni Daddy Mike pumunta sa Cebu. Hindi. Specific. Philippine Airlines para i-pick up yung kanyang phone. Sabi nila, around 8 daw. So, ano sila. Dito na lang kami maghihintay muna. Sinama ni Daddy Mike si Ate Paris. Lynn, let's go get water na. Come on. Come here. Come here. Celine. Bili mo na kami tubig. Tingnan nyo ang kanyang mata, guys. Kanina pag-gising niya sa umaga, may pass ba ang kanyang mata? I said like, is that, ang tawag dito? Conjunctivitis again? Goodness. Which one would you like, lang? Yes? Which one? We'll just get water, okay? Can you point which one would you like to have? Ooh. Hold the card. Select products. 31. Water. Hala. Ay, 1-3 pala yun na. My God, water gap. There you go. Which one here? Do you want the... That's alright. We'll just have something healthy later, okay? No, what? You wanna use that? I know this milk and then the milk for out here. I'll just wash this one now. Wash first. Celine. So finally, guys, we are heading home. This is the last week, and hoping there will be no issue from here. Come here na. Para makauwi na tayo. Celine, it's been a long month for all of us. So, yeah. Sana maging okay na lahat, guys. Uwi na kami para makapag-relax na ba. Linigaw. Hi. Hala. Ate Paris is having her baby chino while baby Celine is running around. Umorder din ako ng hot chocolate, guys. So, we made it on time. Ang aming boarding time is 9:50 and it's still 9:30 now. So, we still have a little bit of time. I also ordered the ham and cheese croissant.
Lily's trying to take her fat. Lily's trying to steal a baby chino.
Lini girl. Ate, drink it, eh. Drink it properly ba? Finally, we're on our way home, guys. That would be our plane there. Rex. Ate Paris is just watching.
The one,
Yeah,
the truck moving one? one?
Yeah.
The one that the truck moving one?
Yep. Yeah, I think, I'm not sure. Maybe that's our plane. I think.
Where's
That's the same plane as that one. But yeah, that's how they do it, see? Lagay nila ang mga pagkain sa loob ng aeroplano.
Captain Australia is making a personal page for Mr. Anna Patel.
Ma, the flights in the
So
room.
it doesn't matter kung gaano kamahal ang luggage mo guys. Lapay-lapay rin yan.
Look at the silver one.
Which one lang? Oh yeah, Jetstar just arrived.
Yeah, because
Tingnan niyo ang pilot guys, oh. No, ganyan lang kaliit, no? Ang kanilang space dyan.
Leo
Okay.
the cat.
What is it eh?
Leo the cat.
Leo the cat. I'm just gonna get Lenny's dummy, okay?
A few moments later.
Is your body next to me on rainy days? Just need your company, don't need too much. Just your simple loving, it's everything. The simple joy of hearing your voice every morning. I wake to a kiss on my face, so I don't need too much. Just your simple loving, it's everything. Can't imagine living life alone.
If we were to go our separate ways,
'Cause with you I feel like
who knows how far we go?
Don't you know that all that I need is your body next to me on rainy days? Just need your
Can you see our bag snack? It's coming. That's Daddy's. Can you see the rest? Yeah. Our bags and the food. Bags here, guys. Di pa maganda ang pakiramdam ng ating ba, di ba? Kinakaya lang yan kung makauwi kami. Ubo-ubo. Ate. Now. Good.
That's why I use that.
Catching the taxi now. You happy, Ate?
Why? That many?
Ate Tara seems to be really happy, guys, na nakabalik na kami.
That's not good. It's what me.
Did you say hello to the car, honey? Did you say hello to the car? Let's check. Everything seems to be alright with our car. Oh, did you miss our car? Paris missed the car. Just giving the car a hug. But don't leave the bag on the road.
Let's go upstairs.
We are. Get our bags there. Here's your bus, Baba. Ah, it's good to be home. Thanks, God. Huh? What is it, lang? Come on. Well, okay. Sige. Here. Here. Here's our door.
Yeah.
here.
Come on. Come in. Papa's bed.
Daddy, so did you really let them in?
No. They must have come in anyway. Who was it? Who was it?
Oh no, what
Oh,
happened?
no, this is the. These are the people, the fire alarm people.
See? Kasi ito siya, hindi ko. I didn't expect this one. Like, to be here.
What?
Inside. That's why I'm like, oh, someone's been here.
They have to come in, but it's compliance. You can't say no.
When did they come? 18.
It is the frame.
I know, I fell down, sweetie.
Yeah, you can't say no to it, but it's compliance.
Really?
Yeah, property compliance. You have to, because like
Put the aircon on.
if the fire alarm doesn't work,
Hala, battery anak.
I won't.
Ling Ling. Lily girl. Yes, anak.
It doesn't seem to be cockroaches in my room.
No, not at all. Oh my god, have a look.
But there's cockroaches out there. That's the big one. Remember the giant ones?
Hmm?
Giant.
Take your jacket off because it's very warm. It's 26 degrees in Brisbane. Welcome home, Baba Gil. Papa, what's wrong? Let me find the battery so we can turn on the air conditioner. Maybe just leave it down, Bob, because it's gonna fall again. Ah.
yes.
On. Ah, my goodness. Ow! Balik LDR na naman kami, guys. Ayan, oh. Welcome back to our channel. Video call na naman. Where's the Paris? Mingay.
Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel.
The Paris. The Paris na. Nak. Shut Lola.
Welcome back to our channel. How are you, honey girl?
Big.
You're good. You're smiling na kasi you're home na?
Gikuan, gigapoy ra ito siya kay. Gusto ra ito siya mauli ba?
Gusto rin sa kinsan mo rin. Gusto mo uli?
Pero ikaw ma, pagpa-check up na jud ma. Kana lagi ka to magibati, pareho na to yan eh. Kuan. Mike ba? Paris. Oh, Lord. Lily girl. You home lang la? Ubo-ubo man na. Kuan. Tingala ko ba kay naman diri akong parcel nga mo man akong gipaabota nga parcel ba wala nakaabot tong before mi nagikan. Atong i-open ba. Nari nagsulod ang nag-ayo sa fire alarm. Ay lang i-check ba ang fire alarm. Hindi ako nakaabot oh. Sus, lugayan niya abot. Yeah, ingani di ay. Para to sa lashes, guys. Para sa pilok ba? Nga mag-tubo ang pilok. Aha! Okay. In order ko, before kami alis, sobrang tagal pala dumating. Ando kami sa Pinas. Kasi the fridge. Ay! Kapobre sa fridge. Kamay sunod the fridge ay.
Kanan sa sunod. Itaw.
Nako! mag-grocery na niya.
Hey!
Look! Uy, si Lane! Anak! So good. This is... Oh, it's actually... Just buy. 130. Oh! Ayush! Gawa tayo ng soup. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Say kita. Luto kami ni Mama na soup. Ang aking boses, my goodness. My goodness. Hindi pa kami nakapag-grocery. Si Daddy Mike lumabas kanina. Bili siya ng mga cream ni Ate Paris. Yung pang kati-kati ni Ate Paris na cream. Hindi kami nakapunta ng grocery. It's now 7 o'clock. So I'm just making this soup. Chicken noodles simmer soup. Ayan. Ito ang ating baby girl ay medyo mainit-init din. Oh, Mama. Mama. Yeah, I'm just, happy that we are now home and we'll just get ourselves better. At least wala na kaming iisipin flight. Nasa bahay na kami. Actually, alam niyo ba, si Ate Paris is getting better. She's actually eating now. So, baliktad sila kapag nasa Pilipinas, Ate Paris ang hindi maganda pakiramdam. Pagdating dito siya. Which one? This one. Put something else? Okay. I'll change it. Come here, son. Come here, son. Say here quickly and then you can change. Nakatulog yan siya sa couch. Shush. How are you, ate? Good. Baba. Which one? So, yeah, we'll see from here. Wala pa plano kung anong gagawin bukas. But, yeah, we need to go grocery. Maybe yan yung gagawin namin bukas first thing in the morning. Kasi kailangan namin ng pagkain. Yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Finally, nakakapag-pahinga na tayo. But yeah, we will see you in the next vlog. Yes lang. Yeah, true. Yeah. See you guys. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Mwah.